to get your protein. It's going to help you get to your next meal, and it's going to keep you consistent, because that's what it's all about, consistency. All right, if you consistently do the right things over and over again, you will see some changes. If you're not seeing changes right now, you could be consistently doing the wrong things. So do you have protein problems? I'm here to help to try to fix it. I'm going to show you today is a couple meals that I've had that are really good. I think you're going to keep these in rotation because, man, they taste good. I'm going to show you a breakfast and a lunch, and you can use it as dinner as well. Just keep some of these items. Go look for some of these items. Keep them in stock. Use these whenever you need a quick and easy meal. You're really trying to hit your goals and you don't want to fall off, right? We're all trying to stay on our goals. Whatever your goals are, whatever your personal diet is, kind of tweak it a little bit to fit your own personal diet, but use some of these options. Hopefully they'll help you out. Let me know if they do in the comments, and let me know what you would add or take away from these. If you have your own recipes, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely try them out. So let me show you what I had right here. You're going to want to keep this one in stock. Check this out. All right, first up, we're going to start off with our protein. Now, what I always recommend you do is start off with your protein. Now, let me show you something that I've had that, man, these are so easy to make, okay? These right here, chicken sausage, man, these things are great. All right, go check these out. If you've had these before, let me know in the comments, but these are really good. They're real simple to cook. Let me show you what the calories are on here, okay? So we got one link. It's 160 calories, 9 grams of fat, 7 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of protein in one link, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these links, put it in the pan. They're so simple to cook, okay? I like to slice it up a little bit, put it in the pan. While the sausage is cooking in the pan, what you wanna do, you can either cook this in the same pan or you can move it to another pan, but what I like to use is this right here. These peppers, keep you some of these peppers in the freezer. I use these peppers all the time. They go great with chicken, like you're trying to make chicken fajitas. These go great. You can put them like on a sheet pan with some chicken. Man, you got you a sheet pan chicken fajita meal. Come on now, you can't beat it, but go get you some of these peppers right here. They stay in your freezer, very easy to cook, okay? So what you're gonna do is just add you some peppers to one side of the pan while you're cooking that sausage on the other. Let me show you my 2 favorite sauces I like to use with this meal. What you wanna do is go find you some Hughes Stir Fry sauce, okay? Hughes is amazing. If you use Hughes, you let me know in the comments. What's your favorite Hughes? Hughes has all kinds of different flavors, all right? But this tastes really good with this sausage and peppers. I'm trying to tell you, it is great, okay? So what I like to do is mix a little bit of this with the Hughes Teriyaki. Man, come on now. Just a little bit. And when you mix them together, the flavors just go perfect together, okay? And it tastes great with that sausage and those peppers. I'm trying to tell you, you have to try this meal. It is one of my favorite meals. It is so simple to cook. You will have you a meal in under 10 minutes. But I also like to do with this meal, now this is totally optional, but it's another way to add some protein. If you like shrimp, I like to get these frozen shrimp, okay? If you like frozen shrimp, you let me know in the comments. How do you cook your shrimp, okay? Shrimp, man, they're just so simple. All right, let's check this out. We're looking at 3 ounces, which is around 5 shrimps, 70 calories, and 12 grams of protein, all right? And these right here, all you gotta do, thaw these jokers out and then just cook them the same way, just like you're cooking a sausage, just like you're cooking the peppers. Cook you some shrimp along with it. If you like shrimp, man, you let me know. I'm trying to tell you, this is such an easy cheat code way to get extra protein in your meal, and it goes great with that sausage. Goes great with those peppers, okay? Now what you can do as well is put the sausage and peppers and shrimp on some rice. If you go carbs, then go with some rice, all right? I always talk about those 90-second rice that you put in the microwave. Goes great with some rice. If you're trying to go low carb, you can use cauliflower rice. That's a great option. Or you can just add some more peppers if you don't want to go any carbs at all right? It just matters whatever fits into your personal diet. There's plenty of different ways you can use miracle noodles. It goes great on some miracle noodles. There's plenty of different ways you can do it, all right? So let me show you another meal that you can make. All right, another meal you can make with these sausages, all right? I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna keep these in stock because you're gonna have these. You can mix these with eggs. There's just all kinds of different ways you can do it. Another one of my favorite meals is to grab you one of these sausages, slice it up, kind of cook it the same way as you were cooking it for that past meal to get you some more veggies, and it just tastes great. Just go grab you some of these right here. These are a cheat code, okay? This broccoli comes in a bag. It's already ready to go. It is so simple to cook. So instead of using those peppers, use some broccoli. What you're gonna make is like a sausage and broccoli stir fry. I'm trying to tell you, it is just so simple. Easy lunch or dinner idea. When you're wondering, you're like, man, what am I gonna eat today? You know, I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to change my meals. I'm trying to change my eating habits. What am I gonna eat? If you keep stuff like this in stock, you will eat healthier because you will have to, because that's all that's in your house, right? You need to clean out your pantry, clean out your fridge, and put some good stuff in there. So then you don't leave yourself any other choices, all right? You're not gonna go hit the fast food anymore. You're gonna make some meals, okay? So the same thing with this meal. You're gonna cook up the sausage. You're gonna heat up the broccoli. All you gotta do is heat it up and just add these right here. Add these two. Then you can put it over some rice. You can put it over some noodles. You can put it over whatever you wanna roll. It don't matter. You can put it over some protein pasta. It don't matter. It's up to you. You do what you do. Man, I'm trying to tell you, you got to add these into your diet, okay? Keep these in stock. You're going to be using these a lot. I use them a lot. And same thing for this meal. If you want to add a little bit more protein, throw some shrimp in there. You can't go wrong with shrimp. That's only if you eat shrimp. Some people don't eat shrimp. I eat shrimp. It's good, okay? 12 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat it. Okay, now for breakfast, you always want to start your day off with as much protein as you can. Just get a good meal in, okay? It'll get your whole day started. You'll already be on your way to your protein goals. It'll stop your cravings. It'll help you get to lunchtime. There's just all kinds of reasons for it, okay? So let me show you what I have for breakfast. It is super simple, okay? So what I have was, so this right here, I love this yogurt. I eat this yogurt all the time, okay? It is just a fat-free yogurt. You don't have to get fat-free if you don't want to. Get whichever one you want to. It don't matter. Because I take this yogurt and then this ratio trio. Have you seen this before? This granola right here. It is amazing, all right? It tastes great. You put it over that yogurt, measure out. I just like to use half a serving. I don't need too much. But measuring out half a serving of this, you're gonna put it on top of that yogurt, all right? And man, I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna take it next level. You're gonna be having this a lot. So go look for this right here, this ratio trio granola. You find it at most stores, but definitely check this out, okay? And then with the yogurt, I just had 2 regular eggs, okay? I eat eggs all the time. Eggs, I eat probably once a day at least. So I want you to go look for these right here. If you can find these, you go get you some of these, all right? Try them out. There's different flavors. This is the blueberry. They have cinnamon raisin. They also have plain flavors, but go try to find you some Sola bagels. These things are great. And the good thing about it is this bagel right here has 29 grams of fiber. That's gonna put you at almost your daily fiber goal right here at one bagel. Talk about these bagels all the time because I really want you to try these. Find these. They got 14 grams of protein in them. So you have you one bagel with the yogurt, with the 2 eggs. That is a super healthy breakfast for you. You're getting your protein, you're getting your fiber, and it's a great way to start out the day, all right? It's really gonna hold you down. I'm trying to tell you, you need to go find these bagels. If you know about Sola, you let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what your favorite flavor is, okay? I think my favorite flavor is probably this blueberry flavor. It's probably my favorite flavor, but man, all of them are good, all right? Even the plain one's good. You get your plain one and you put whatever you want to on it. It don't matter, but I like to put hot honey on mine. I like to put regular honey on it, jelly, all kinds of good stuff, okay? So there's all kinds of different ways you can do it, but go get you some Sola bagels. I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna keep these in stock. If you can find them, grab you some and thank me later. One thing I forgot to mention, if you like to spice up your meals a little bit, this right here is great, okay? This goes great on that chicken, on that shrimp. Man, I'm trying to tell you, get you some of this right here, okay? If you know about this, you let me know. Keep some of this in stock. You're gonna be using it on a lot of your meals. I'll use it on like my egg roll in a bowl meal, all kinds of different kind of stir-fry meals. You wanna keep this in stock if you like to spice it up a little bit, okay? I like to keep it spicy, so definitely check this out. All right, guys, so there you have it, a few easy meals, all right? You can mix and match. You can do one for lunch, one for dinner, but if you keep these meals in stock, you will definitely be using them, okay? Keep a lot of these ingredients in stock. And when you're wondering what you're gonna have today, you need a quick meal. You wanna keep it healthy as possible, and you wanna keep the protein high, and you just wanna stay satisfied, and you wanna make some changes. Keep these items in stock. Keep these ingredients with you. You will be using them. Also, with these breakfasts, if you just eat that breakfast in the morning, it's gonna really set you straight for the day, okay? You're gonna get your protein. It's gonna help you get to your next meal, and it's gonna keep you consistent. That's what it's all about, consistency, all right? If you consistently do the right things over and over again, you will see some changes. If you're not seeing changes right now, you could be consistently doing the wrong things. Focus on making some changes. Nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to make some changes. You got to form some new habits, and you will see the results. You will get there. Do not give up. You can do it, all right? I'm just trying to show you different ways to keep these items in stock. I always say keep them in stock because I keep them in stock. I'm trying to tell you, I keep them in stock so when I'm wondering what's my next meal going to be, I know when I get home, I have various different options I can choose from that tastes good. That'll keep me on track. It'll help me not make excuses to go out and get something I shouldn't be getting. All right, so focus on these meals. Let me know in the comments what you think on this video. Let me know in the comments some of the meals you like to make that help you stay on track. And it can really help out. I'm always looking for new meals to eat as well, so I'll definitely check those out as well. All right, give these meals a try. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.